So another quick video tutorial on something that you can add to your travel journal that's going to give it just a little bit of flavor. And I want to start by perhaps something you can do on the perimeter of your travel journal page. So this is just clear water. I'm going to draw a line of clear water along the, kind of along the perimeter here. And then I'm going to take some green, just straight watercolor green, and I'm just going to very quickly kind of dab in what pretty quickly show up as a line of trees. Notice all the tops of the trees are different heights. Maybe you can add one down in here and bleed it right down into that clear water at the bottom. Maybe one more piece down here. And then to add a little bit of variety, this is just, so this is straight kind of moss green. This is just a bright yellow. And again, you can add that in right down to into the clear water at the bottom. And it gives really a pretty neat finish on it. Don't worry about everything blending together. It does across the bottom anyways. There you go. So a bit of yellow and maybe one more, just a hint of maybe some orange in here as well. Different, as I say, different heights of trees. And there you go. So there's a bit of a, I guess you'd call it a perimeter kind of feature on your travel journal. And in here, you've got your descriptions of where you're going on your journey and where you've been and all of those kinds of things. Think about describing the landscape that you see and how that landscape changes when you travel east to west or north to south. Does it get drier? Does it get wetter? All of those kinds of things. What's the weather like when you're traveling east, west, north, south, or upslope? And just provide a description of all of those things that you're seeing. Really wonderful reflections of your travels that are uniquely yours. And that's what the travel journal is all about. So scroll down, leave a comment, maybe do a little perimeter piece like this yourself and post it and see what we've got. I know you can do this. It's straightforward and a lot of fun.